If you're using Claude only as a chatbot, you're missing out on some of its most powerful capabilities. Most people open Claude, type a question, and wait for an answer. That's useful, but it barely scratches the surface of what this AI tool can actually do. Claude offers several advanced features that can help you automate tasks, work with your files, build software, and dramatically improve your productivity. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 powerful Claude features. 4 of them are core ways to use Claude, and the other 2 are add-ons that make Claude even more capable. The surprising part is that many Claude users have never explored some of these tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each feature does and when to use it. So, let's start with the one everyone is familiar with, Claude Chat. Claude Chat is the standard interface most people use. You visit Claude, type your prompt, and receive a response within seconds. It works in your browser, on your desktop, and on your phone. Your conversations stay synced across all devices, so you can start on one device and continue on another without losing context. That syncing is actually more useful than most people realize, because it allows you to continue your work from anywhere. You could begin researching something on your laptop, continue refining it on your phone while traveling, and later finalize everything back on your desktop. Claude Chat is ideal for brainstorming, writing, summarizing articles, researching topics, and solving everyday problems. A lot of people also use it for things like rewriting emails, generating content ideas, planning projects, creating study notes, and even learning new skills. If you're just getting started with Claude, this is where you'll spend most of your time. But Claude Chat is only the beginning. The second feature is Claude Co-Work. This is one of the most practical AI tools, because Claude can actually interact with your computer. It can open folders, read documents, edit files, create spreadsheets, and save everything automatically. In other words, Claude is no longer just giving instructions, it is completing tasks for you. Instead of asking, "How do I create this report?" you can simply say, "Create this report for me," and Claude will do the work. You don't need to be technical to use it. Think of Claude Co-Work as a highly efficient digital assistant that can work directly on your machine. And this is where things start becoming really powerful, because Claude can now interact with actual files instead of just text inside a chat window. For example, you can ask Claude to scan your inbox, highlight urgent messages, draft professional replies, and archive newsletters you no longer need. You could ask it to organize all the screenshots and downloads cluttering your computer. You could even ask it to analyze a folder full of PDFs and generate a clean summary document with all the important information extracted automatically. Or you can assign more advanced tasks, such as planning a vacation to Japan. Claude can create a packing checklist, recommend outfits based on the weather, and generate a neatly formatted PDF with hotel and activity suggestions. You can even ask it to compare hotel prices, organize travel plans day by day, and prepare everything in a format that's easy to follow. Claude Co-Work is perfect whenever you want Claude to work with real files and complete tasks instead of simply explaining how to do them.
The third feature is Claude Dispatch. This feature allows you to assign tasks from your phone and have Claude complete them on your computer. Imagine you're waiting at the airport, sitting in a cafe, or riding in a taxi. You can send Claude a request from your mobile device, and Claude will use the files and tools available on your desktop to complete the task. Once the work is finished, the results are sent back to your phone. This makes Claude incredibly flexible because you're no longer tied to your desk to get work done. For example, you could ask Claude to prepare a presentation while you're outside, organize files before a meeting, or generate notes from documents stored on your computer. By the time you get back home or to the office, everything is already prepared. What makes this especially useful is that everything happens in the same conversation. You can begin a task on your phone and later open the same chat on your computer to continue where you left off. That seamless workflow makes Claude Dispatch incredibly convenient. Now let's talk about Claude Code. This is where Claude becomes a full-fledged software development assistant. Claude Code can write code, test it, debug errors, and improve existing projects. You can use it from the terminal or directly inside the Claude desktop app. All you need to do is describe what you want to build. Claude Code handles the technical implementation for you. And no, you don't need to be a professional programmer. If you can clearly explain your idea, Claude Code can turn it into a working application. Whether you want to create a website, a browser extension, a game, a custom automation, or an AI-powered tool, Claude Code can help you build it. And what's impressive is how fast the entire process becomes. Something that would normally take days of learning and coding can sometimes be built within minutes just by describing your idea clearly. I've personally used tools like this to create productivity apps and games simply by describing what I wanted in plain English. You could also use it to automate repetitive work, create custom tools for your business, or even prototype startup ideas without hiring developers immediately. So even if you've never written a single line of code, you can still build useful software. Now that we've covered the 4 main ways to use Claude, let's look at 2 features that make all of them even more powerful. The 5th feature is integrations. Integrations connect Claude to other apps and services. Once connected, Claude can interact with those tools directly. For example, Claude can read messages from Slack, pull data from Google Sheets, or work with design files from tools like Figma. This allows Claude to access the information you already use every day. Instead of manually switching between apps, Claude can act like a bridge between them. That makes your workflow much faster and more efficient. And this becomes especially useful if you work with multiple tools daily, because Claude can act like a bridge between them. For example, it could take information from a spreadsheet, summarize it, and instantly prepare a report without you having to manually move data around. This kind of automation can save hours of repetitive work every single week.
The 6th and final feature is skills. Skills are one of Claude's underrated features. A skill is a reusable set of instructions that teaches Claude exactly how you want a specific task to be handled. For example, you could create a skill for writing YouTube scripts in your preferred tone, summarizing meeting notes, generating SEO-friendly blog posts, or responding to customer emails. You could also create skills for writing social media captions, generating product descriptions, formatting reports, or creating video outlines. Skills work across Claude Chat, Claude Co-Work, and Claude Code. You only need to set them up once, and you can use them over and over again. This saves time and ensures that Claude delivers consistent results. And the best part is that over time, Claude starts adapting more closely to your workflow and writing style, which makes the output feel much more personalized. So, let's quickly recap. Claude Chat is best for conversations, writing, and research. Claude Co-Work allows Claude to interact directly with your files and complete tasks on your computer. Claude Dispatch lets you send tasks from your phone and receive the results once they're finished. Claude Code helps you build real software applications. Integrations connect Claude to the apps and services you already use. And Skills teach Claude exactly how you want recurring tasks to be completed. You don't need to master all 6 features today. The most important thing is understanding what each one does and using the ones that fit your workflow. Even learning just 1 or 2 of these features properly can dramatically improve the way you work with AI tools. Just knowing these tools exist puts you ahead of the vast majority of Claude users. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using Claude or other amazing AI tools, then you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.